Now, as Adam Aaron is worried about the billion-dollar fee that Regal Cinemas and Cineworld have to pay due to a failed merger and potentially cannibalizing those theaters, very similar to failing theaters about a year ago. As he's worried about that, we have excellent news. Oh my gosh, excellent news surrounding the short squeeze. Guys, if you haven't seen it yet, you're not on Twitter, but you need to actually hear what's going on with the short interest because it's rising, and yes, it is at the all-time high that it's ever been at over, we'll get into it in a second, how many short shares are outstanding right now. And the fact that the short squeeze now, the fact that the short squeeze now is better than it has ever been, despite the fact that we've been falling in price a little bit, you guys should feel very good knowing that AMC Stock short squeeze is potentially bigger than it has ever been before. So we're going to talk about it in this video, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit is going to get you at least five free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you at least $5 in free cryptocurrency as well. So make sure to go out there, take advantage of that before Christmas Eve, because the promotion for the 5 stocks in the crypto is over on December 23rd. Then it goes back to 2 stocks. And guys, the stock market is down right now. You can get these stocks at a discount. I'd say take advantage of it while you can. Let's talk about the short squeeze numbers, guys. There's a lot going on in the theater industry world right now. Yes, Adam Aaron is focused on potentially, I don't know, picking up some market share, picking up some theaters as they're being beaten down, hoping they go, I don't know what he's hoping for. But we are hoping for a short squeeze. We are hoping that AMC stock rises to these incredibly insane prices because the hedge funds have to cover. If you're looking at the Ortex data, I don't know if you've seen it yet or not, but we have seen the price coming down over the last few weeks. It's evident. I mean, everybody out there knows that the stock price has gone from the 50s in the last couple of months, 40s, 30s, and it was at literally in the $20 range. Not 21s, it was in the $20 range. And it has bounced back. But the short shares have increased dramatically. So there were roughly 87 million short shares outstanding. The last time I looked, maybe a week ago, now there are an estimated, I say estimated because it's come from Ortex, right? An estimated 107 million short shares outstanding for AMC. Over 21% of the float of AMC has been shorted. This is big. This is bigger than we've seen before. If you thought the June run-up was big, we have more short shares outstanding now than we did then. The June run-up had a lot of excitement surrounding AMC. Everybody talking about AMC. FOMO buyers jumping in to AMC. Now, we have more short shares outstanding than we ever did before. If we stay strong and stay together, and the stock price starts to rise, people are going to pile back in at the exact same rate they've done before. So if you think that, if you're starting to question whether or not you should continue holding AMC, I get it, it's out there. People question this stuff all the time. You got to ask yourself why you're in AMC. If you're in AMC because of the short squeeze, you're in a better position now than you have ever been before. Price is down a little bit, yes, but the numbers back it up. Now, you might be saying, okay, the short shares, the short interest is increasing. Why haven't we squeezed? The cost to borrow right now on AMC stock is still extremely low. It's not a huge risk factor for the hedge funds. The cost to borrow average is slightly over 1%. That means that on an annual basis, they only have to pay 1% to keep their short shares open. I mean, they can afford that. I can't sit in front of you guys and tell you right now that they can't afford to keep their short shares on AMC open based on the cost to borrow. So a couple factors that you can think of. Can we can we raise the cost to borrow? Yes, we could if we hold and don't trade. We've been doing that. So you can't do anything else to do that. But if the day trading kind of calms down a little bit, If the institutional investors stop lending their shares out, then absolutely that cost to borrow will rise because it restricts the supply of shares being left to borrow. Now, if AMC starts to rise in price again, and more people want to short it, that'll increase demand, and therefore that will increase the cost to borrow because more people are trying to short it, more people are fighting for those shares to short them. So we can get there, we just have to be patient. There's been a lot of people that are saying that the short squeeze is over. The narrative on, I don't even want to mention the guy's name, but these Wall Street guys out there that tell you, sell your stuff now because it's coming down. I think they want you to sell your stuff, man. They don't care about your money. They don't care if you stay poor for the rest of your life. They don't care about you selling your money or you selling your shares for a profit or a loss. They don't care about that. You know who the only person is that cares about that? I can't even sit in front of you and tell you that, it's I sit here and worry all day about how much money you have. You are the only person in the world who cares about your money. I mean, there might be other people out there who want to help you. Genuinely, yes, I would love to help everybody reach financial freedom. But at the end of the day, it's you who has to make your decisions. It's you who moves forward financially. It's you who reaps the benefits of these decisions. You and yours. And you got to make that decision now that you are going to do the best that you can for you and yours. And if you decide that that's the short squeeze, if you see these numbers and you say, you know what? Yes, the AMC stock short squeeze is absolutely still on. Have confidence, man. Have confidence in yourself. You've been here for, my gosh, it's December 15th. You've been here for a year. You've been here for it. Have confidence in yourself that you can look at the numbers now, that you can look at the community, and you can say, you know what? This is on. You know what? AMC stock will squeeze. I don't know when, but AMC stock will squeeze based on these numbers. The numbers change. I can change my mind. But right now, based on what we're seeing, with 107 million short shares, over 21% short interest, a low cost to borrow, yes, but all of these things adding up, and the fact that AMC is potentially increasing market share if they do take over these other companies, but increasing revenue, increasing earnings, decreasing debt, just fundamentally building up the company. Every single day we move forward, the short squeeze gets better. But I know that you have the confidence to not listen to me, to not listen to these guys on Wall Street, but to listen to yourself and make a decision for yourself that for you and yours, you will absolutely do what is right. Guys, I'm excited to see these numbers going up, because it just means the potential is increasing. I've got invested what I am willing to keep invested and to hold as long as it takes to see the short squeeze out. And man, you know what? Once those numbers start rising again, I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, I got to get out because of the retail. No, dude. I'm here for a short squeeze. We're going to watch the hedge funds bleed dry and go bankrupt. I don't care if that happens to them, and I don't really think that you do either. So let us know down in the comments below what you guys think about these new numbers, the fact that there's over 21% short interest, the fact that, short interest is 21%, the fact that we've got over 107 short shares outstanding, estimated by Ortex. All of this good news. Get excited, share the video, tell somebody about the AMC stock short squeeze, and if that button is still red, make sure to click and subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance Gemini in the description below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.